welcome to another front garden in Finland Valley this time. And I'm here to introduce Dario from Blades of Glory. And this front garden will be new turfed with a new fresh lawn. And we also have new borders, new hedging on the side here. And then there will be something here, new planting and next to the path. And we're in the middle of it, as you can see. So what's happening at the moment? How is the process of laying a new turf? What could you expect and how can you describe it in short?
Intense, to say the least. Initially, the process started with the turf cutter. So the turf cutter is designed to remove the existing lawn. Once the existing lawn is removed, we then use a rotavator. Petrol or electric, I'd recommend electric. You just get better power from it, but the rotavator is designed to churn up the soil, which gets oxygen in there, sunlight, air, and it really creates an ideal environment for the new root growth to bed in. But it allows us to grade the area flat as well. Really helps us out, get a real fine powder, and then we add the topsoil just to get that real nice level. The topsoil is like a sandy loam, so it's really fine.
Gardener's dream.
Yeah, it is actually. Spreads out really nicely, and it just allows us to get a real consistently flat surface. And then we finish the job with our Regal turf. Regal turf is pre-treated for diseases. It's got some very good long root growth, which makes it quite drought resilient, and it's used at the Chelsea Flower Show, so it's very good quality turf.
Oh, lovely. So when the turf is down, we will have another look at this.
Yeah.
What is the next step? So when I got a new lawn, I think, oh gosh, I panic. How can I keep it alive? What do you recommend for the first month to do?
Watering is key. What a lot of people don't understand is grass is a plant.
Yes.
And like all plants need water. And that's what a lot of people do fail to do, water the actual lawn. That said, there are certain sort of tips that I would recommend people do. Mowing the lawn for the first time, I wouldn't mow it any lower than like 4 centimetres.
Right, good tip.
It can shock the lawn. It's very hard for the lawn to sort of re-establish itself. Just keeping length on the lawn is crucial, simply because it protects the soil base from sunlight.
Yes.
And keeps the soil base quite moist, stops it from drying out. Feeding the lawn. Every installation we do, every client receives what we call an aftercare document.
Oh, great.
Which is full of you'll receive one, full of useful tips, advice, and certain techniques to use to maintain the health of the lawn. But to be honest with you, for me, the key is just keeping length and watering it.
Great. That's a good tip. Thank you. And I'm looking forward to the finished outcome.
As am I. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So now we have finished the lawn. It looks amazing. And you have cut out the borders where the planting goes in. So how long does it take altogether?
It took 2 days to complete, from literally start to finish, turfing or turf cutting the old lawn out, through, as I say, the rotavating, grading. It's all in the prep. Laying the lawn is the quickest thing, but if we don't prep properly, we're ending up with results like this, which I think are amazing. But I think that's the process.
Great. Wow, it looks amazing. I like the stripes. And you said when something is installed today, how long do you need to water it and how often?
Watering daily.
Yeah.
I would probably say once in the evening, maybe a top up in the morning. But if you water it in the evening, you're going to have a lot more moisture left over during the morning and into sort of late morning. If you're watering it during the day, that water can sort of dry up. So I'd say daily for 2 weeks. Water's crucial at this stage, yeah.
Okay.
Very crucial.
Great. Thank you so much for the swift installation, and hope the next project comes soon again.
Well, I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, we did. Thank you.
Thanks.